Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check that your desktop supports an external GPU via Thunderbolt 3/4 or has an available PCIe lane for an external enclosure. Next, match power. Ensure the enclosure and chosen GPU power draw fits within your system or external PSU. Once done, update BIOS and chipset drivers and install the enclosure vendor utility so the host recognizes the device. You do this now to avoid driver conflicts and hardware detection issues later. You now install the GPU into the enclosure, seating it firmly and connecting all required power cables. Secure the card to prevent movement. Once connected, plug the enclosure into your desktop via Thunderbolt or the PCIe interface and boot into the operating system on an administrative account. After boot, install the latest official GPU drivers and update the enclosure firmware so the system negotiates link speed and power correctly. Make sure to set primary display preferences and test with a simple benchmark to confirm. Finish by running a stress test and monitoring temperatures, clock speeds, and system logs to confirm stable operation under load. If the card is not detected, make sure Thunderbolt authorization is allowed, cables and firmware are correct, and BIOS settings permit external devices. Reseat the card and restart. If problems persist, test the enclosure with a different PC to determine whether the issue is the host or the eGPU. This isolates hardware faults quickly and saves you time troubleshooting drivers and power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.